Welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for being here. If you're an MVP, you already know the deal. Smash the like button. I appreciate you and I love you because you a real one. If you're brand new, if you do not know who I am, welcome. My name is Tiv. This is LivWithTiv. And in this channel, we do curly hair videos, makeup videos, and also Boxycharm unboxing. So this is actually my April box because my April box literally got here on April 30th. Thank you, Boxycharm. But I'm pretty sure it was because I had to renew my subscription and it was a little late in the month. So we're gonna have a double Boxycharm unboxing this month. So let's dig into the box. And the first thing that I am going to be trying out is this bad boy right here. So this is the first item in the box. So we're going to be playing around with the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. I actually have to look the prices up online because I did not get the little card that comes with Boxycharm, so I'm gonna look online to see how much this goes for. All right, what I'm seeing online is that these retail for $28. I'm just gonna do a simple look with this and then we'll talk after. I feel like in the camera it's actually looking a little bit more bright and orange than what it actually is. This is like
I tapped this to focus. That's not my camera.
But anyways, I feel like in the camera it's looking a lot more orangey, whereas in person it looks a little bit more neutral. So just keep that in mind. So I had to pause real quick because I remembered that there is also this product here. There's the Illuminati gel paint in electric blue and electric pink. So let's open it up and see because I completely forgot about these gel pencils. This is what they look like. Oh. Okay. There's like pink. They're super pigmented and super bright. I'm just trying to see how it's gonna go. I think I might do the blue one on my waterline. Yeah, let's do the blue one on the waterline. Let's continue on with the makeup and we'll see what happens at the end. Okay, so this is what the eyes look like. I am going to do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I look a little crazy because I have my eyebrows on, but this palette is actually really dope. I really like it. It has some warm and cool tones. It's actually pretty neutral and it's super like user friendly. Like if you're a beginner in makeup, I would 100% recommend this because it's super easy to blend and it won't be like pigment right away. You can really easily blend it. But someone that has a little bit more experience with makeup can definitely use this and create a beautiful eye look. I don't think I'm a professional, but definitely if I had a little bit more time, I would like, you know, do a whole carved out crease and all this stuff. But this was just to test out the palette, and for me it's a win. Hold on, I'm gonna back y'all up real quick. The reason why I haven't done foundation yet is because we're actually gonna jump into our next product, which is actually the Pore Professional from Benefit. This is actually a primer that I have been dying to use and I haven't had the opportunity, or
if I'm being 100% real, it's just because I've been too cheap to pay for this price.
But it is a pore filling primer. So let me just make sure my hands are clean and we're gonna press this onto the skin and then we'll see how our foundation looks afterwards. And also I tried to wash off the pink and it's like stained, like, and it's actually like a little bit sticky too. So I haven't tried it out yet in the eyes, but on the skin it feels pretty good. I don't know how much I'm supposed to use, but I'll use that much first because I don't want to go overboard on a pore filling primer. Oh wow, it feels lovely on the skin though. Okay, I definitely need more. Okay, I put like that much. Oh wow, it does do what it claims to do, which is to fill in the pores. Wow, It definitely fills in my pores like right over here, like where I have the most, like the biggest pores is like right around here and in my nose and like in my forehead and like above my lip, like in my T-zone basically. And wow, this is what having poreless skin feels like. I love this. A plus, 100% approve. I love this stuff. All right, perfect. So we've done two products so far. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera and then we'll test out the next product. We're gonna put this in the waterline and blend it out. I don't know why I was doing this. So this brush was definitely not clean, and that happened. The way we're gonna fix it is by adding a little bit of face powder underneath with a straight edge sponge is what I'm gonna try to do, because I don't know what else to do. We're keeping it as is because I don't know how to fix it. But our almost last product that we're gonna try out is this one. This is what we're gonna be testing out, which is the iconic London Illuminator in the shade Blush. And it's like a dropper, I think. Oh, it's very liquidy and it's very metallic. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, this is definitely a little goes a long way. That was literally just one drop and you can see it. Can you see the gloss? Maybe we just add some with a sponge. I'm gonna take another sponge and just take a few drops of this and add them as highlight. I'm gonna add this first since it is a liquid product, and then we'll set it with a powder highlight if it needs to be. I feel like I pumped out too much as per usual. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. Ooh, I might not even want to set that. I feel like I want to put this everywhere. It's looking poppin'. Ooh, it just makes your skin look so fresh. So fresh and clean. And I feel like I have enough and I still have so much product in my hand still. So a little definitely goes a long way. It is annoying because now I'm just gonna have to wipe this away. One way that I do want to try this illuminator out is maybe mixing it in with foundation, because I feel like since it can be really subtle, I feel like it would be awesome to mix in with like maybe a more matte foundation, or if you want to make a dewy foundation even dewier, I feel like that would be an awesome product to use. I don't even want to set my face because of this amazing highlight, so we're just gonna finish the rest of the face and then I'll be right back. Done. Actually, oh my god, I wasn't filming the whole time. So for the last product that we have in this box, I actually had to remove my makeup and I'm actually getting ready to head to bed, but I actually have somebody here that's gonna help me out with the last product. So, hello. Everybody, welcome my mommy. She's coming back to help me out with my Boxycharm unboxing, because Boxycharm is so amazing that they actually gave me more than one of my last products. So my last product of this month's Boxycharm is actually all of these face masks, and we are going to do one of each, and I'm gonna leave one for my sister because she wants to do one, but just not on camera. She's a little camera shy. So, ¿cuál tú quieres, mami?
Esta es para iluminar y esta para purificar. ¿Purificar? Es una palabra en español. ¿Purificar? ¿Purificar o hidratar? Para purificar, like purify your skin. Purificar, right?
Okay. ¿Quieres purificar o iluminar? Purificar. Okay. Do you think you could do it this time? You want me to do it? Oh, you got it. You got it? And I looked online because again I didn't get my card this month, so these retail for $3. I don't know if all three are $3 each or if the set is $3, but regardless, that was the price. You got it? You got it, mommy. I believe in you. Oh, snap. And again, we have a caller. Así mimito. We have a caller in the middle of the video. Hello. This is my best friend, Jamie, interrupting my video.
Hello, world.
Hello, world. I can't. Let me call you back. Me and my mom are doing face mask right now on camera. Boo.
Bye, girl.
Bye. Well, mommy, you put it on fast.
Y tú sabes que el cactus es parecido a la sábila. ¿Oh, sí? Look at that. ¿Como en los beneficios para la piel o nada más como en la planta? Como en la planta. Los beneficios también para la piel porque el cactus es hidratante. Oh. Well, I didn't know that.
Now that we look like ghosts, we're gonna have this on. What does it say? Oh, all these instructions are in language I don't know. Oh no, here it is in English. Tear open, apply to face, leave for 20 to 30 minutes, and then remove. Perfect. All right, so we're back. And it's been an hour later because my friend called me and I lost track of time. So let's take them off finally. It literally just comes off. It's literally so dry because I suck at time management and I don't know what 30 minutes actually is. No, I missed. You missed too. Well, anyways, that was it for this video. This feels amazing on my skin though. You like it? So I believe these were $3. I'm going to do the math right now. So it was $3 plus.
The eyeliners were $40. The eye palette was $28. The eye drops I think were $38. And then what was the other thing that was in there? What was in there?
Point is Cállate. Point is, this month's Boxycharm was around $140, $146. I think somewhere around there. I don't have the card. I don't remember the prices. I'm being fairly honest. But I'm ready to go to bed with my mama. But yeah, guys, that was the end of this video. Be blessed, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! I love you, mommy. Thank you.